you start driving trucks, you're gonna deal with some bull baloney.
Alright, road dogs, here we are. We are in Blackshear, Georgia. Alright, we got us a load going from here, Blackshear, Georgia to Lerado, Texas. So, and it's a no tarp load, man. It's going to be something hopefully easy. Scrap and go. I'm kind of anxious. A little hesitant. I don't really want to go to Lerado because I don't want to have to sit there over the weekend or anything like that. Hopefully when I get there, they'll have me a load ready. I'm not sure. I definitely don't want to have to go through the terminal and be there for 2-3 days. Another thing is, this load is going almost 1,200 miles, and right now it is about 12:30, 12:20, something like that. And I haven't even started in that direction, and I got to pick it up today, deliver Friday morning. And I don't think I'll be able to make it Friday morning because I mean, if it takes me too long to get loaded, even if it didn't take too long, I still think it's gonna be a little trouble getting there Friday morning at 8 because my clock done started already. I've been up since 7 o'clock this morning, so I'll be shutting down tonight around 9 or 10. Okay, Poles. There's the place right there to the right. I know the place said Poles, but I was thinking like metal poles or something like that. But it's like light poles. So I'll be pulling out the pipe stakes. Alright, so we are here, man. Ace Pole and Piling or something like that. Alright, little car. Slow down, car. Slow it down. Thank you. See those poles out there? Hopefully I don't have any that's that long, like over 53 feet. I don't like stuff sticking off the back of the trailer. I hate things sticking off the back of the trailer, actually. So we're going to pull up here behind these trucks and see what we need to do to get all this loaded.
I had an appointment at 12:30. Well, that's what they said it at 12:30. And these people here are closed from 12 to 1. I don't know if y'all can see me. They closed from 12 to 1. And there's two guys ahead of me. Oh my God. and they want me to go 1,200 miles by Friday morning. And my day already done started here today on Wednesday. My day really won't get started till I can get this truck moving in the right direction. Move, baby. Ay, 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 ay. What the we'll get it together, I guess. Alright, guys. Today, like I said, we here. We finally gonna be loading poles. I guess we're gonna be loading something like that, or maybe these, I don't know. But so I had to drag out the pipe stakes today, stake pipes, whatever you want to call them. Had to connect them right here, you know. And this chain here, you're gonna load me halfway. I'm gonna do like a belly wrap with them, and that's all the way down. So may get a little footage of that. Getting it loaded, y'all. Getting it loaded. Whew, a little rough. Show y'all how I throw my scraps. Throw my scraps like this, overhand. That's the best way to do it. Right here. Get right under there. And they call it alternating pull here at Melton, but you basically throw one to one side. All the scraps you throw to one side, you got to even it up on the other side. That's as simple as I can make it, but alternating pull, that's what they call it. Throw these scraps for y'all. Throw two more for y'all. Throw 8 scraps on this load. Just that simple, guys. And then I'm gonna throw 4 just like that from the other side. That's alternating pull. All right, guys. So good news, bad news. It is Wednesday night. We got loaded, headed to Lerado. You know, moving along pretty good. Tonight I'm about to, you know, watch me some Hulu, chill out, you know, and bam. Look at your boy. Stuck. Running out of time. Running out of time. Let's turn this way. Running out of time. Trying to find somewhere to park my truck. I found this little spot here at the Econo Lodge, truck parking. I was trying to get around those there cones right there and swoop back in and be pointed that way. And look what I did. I got stuck. Yeah, that's not good. Oh, and they deep. They deep. Good thing is, man, I sent a macro 18, guys. You know, sent a macro 18 in, and I guess the tow guy is supposed to be in an hour, up to 90 minutes. It's been 30 minutes already, so I got at least another hour. They'll come in and pull me out. I tried my best. I tried my best to get out, but couldn't do it. So we just gonna wait and wait and wait. And wait for him to come or her to come. And guys, this goes to show, no matter what you do, no matter how much experience you got, things happen.